In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find trading instruments on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your preferred Pepperstone trading platform. This could be MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or TradingView. Once you are inside the platform, go to the panel where tradable markets are listed. Depending on the platform you are using, this section may be called Market Watch, Symbols, or Instruments. If you do not immediately see the full list of instruments, look for an option such as Show All or Manage Symbols. This will help you display more markets that may be hidden by default. After that, you can browse through the different asset categories available on your account and platform. These may include forex, indices, commodities shares, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. If you already know which market you want to trade, use the search box to make the process faster. Type the name of the instrument or its trading symbol into the search field. The platform will usually narrow down the list and show matching results. When you find the instrument you want, select it from the list. If that instrument is not already visible in your watch list or market list, add it so you can access it more easily in the future. This is useful if you plan to monitor the market regularly or return to it later. Once it has been added, open the instrument's chart or trading window. This will let you view the market in more detail and prepare for analysis or execution. Next, review the available trading information for that instrument. Check the current price, the spread, and any other details your platform displays. This gives you a quick overview of the market before you decide what to do next. If you want to look for more instruments, repeat the same process by returning to the Symbols or Instruments panel and searching again. This ensures that it has been added correctly and will be easy to find later. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.